absolute value basically erases negativity. Because absolute value removes the sign, the expression inside could have started positive or negative. So when we solve an equation like this, we have to consider both possibilities. The positive version of the right-hand side and the negative version. Either one could produce the same absolute value. So let's solve absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 5. If absolute value of something equals 5, the inside could be plus 5 or minus 5. That's why we split it into two equations. And we have to solve both. So our first case is 2x minus 1 equals 5. Let's apply some standard equation balancing here. Add 1 to cancel out the negative 1 and start to get x by itself. Then we have to do a divided by 2 to cancel out that multiplication of 2. And finally, we're left with x equals 3 is our first solution, or this equation. So the left-hand side looks the same, so we can cheat and use the same steps. Start with a plus 1. So the left-hand side is the same, but in this case we're adding a negative 5 and a positive 1, so our result on the right is negative 4. Same cheating again, divide by 2 to get x by itself, but in this case we have negative 2 on the right. Okay, well, let's check our answers. We do that by plugging in 2x to the original equation, 4x into the original equation. So we got 2 times 3 minus 1, which is equal to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, easy win, is the absolute value of 5. And that is just 5. So we got a true statement. That checks out. When we plug it in, we get 5. So x equal 3 works. Let's check the right-hand side. See, can we truly have two answers here? So plug in negative 2, which is our solution. 2 times negative 2 minus 1. Then we get what's 2 times negative 2? Negative 4, right? Subtract 1. So minus 4 minus 1 is equal to a minus 5. But absolute value erases negativity. That's the whole idea. So that's just 5. So our solutions are x equals 3 and x equals negative 2. One positive, one negative, both absolutely valid. I absolutely, positively think you will find value in the next video popping up right now. See you there.